everyone, welcome to today's tutorial. This is the look, and I used the Nomad palette from JUVIAS Place. Girl, I tell you, when it comes to the quality of their eyeshadows, I'm forever enthralled by what JUVIAS produces. I didn't use two colors. I didn't use these two colors. I used every other color in this palette. It's so nice and warm. I want to say wall because I'm thinking time for fall. It's so nice and so warm, and I thought this would be a good time to tell you guys that classes are still being registered. I can still register for my classes for Florida, and you can go on my website LyricRochester.com for the first, I think either 5 or 10. I had said you guys would definitely be getting some JUVIAS Place palettes in your goodie bag, and some more of my faves will be in a goodie bag for the first, is it the first 5 or the first 10 students to register? But yeah, so that's it basically, guys. Hope you guys enjoyed this look. Everything on my face is from the palette. See how this blush looks so good? It's from the palette. My glow from the palette. I mean, what are we doing? And the lashes, I'm wearing rosy lashes, and these are from my 6D collection from my Pome lashes. You can go on Pome by Lyric on Instagram if you want to see these lashes in full effect. But yes, honey, gorgeous, gorgeous. I love them. I guess enjoy the video. Alright guys, so let's jump right into this. I'm going to take the yellow and I'm going to be putting that on my brow bone. I love yellow on my brow bone. I just think like these warm colors like yellow, orange, red, they look so great against my skin tone. So now I'm going in with the orange. I like mustardy orange from the palette, but I really wish I had brought this mustardy orange color down way more, or made it a little bit more vibrant. You know, when I look at the overall look, that much to do differently. So I'm taking my LA Pro primer in black, and I'm gonna go ahead, and that's gonna be my base. Now, what I did not do properly, but let me just say properly, was blend out the edges, because the edges looked a little bit stark. You see, we're seeing like a line of demarcation. That's never what you want. So now I'm going back in with the orange again, just to, can you see? It's like I didn't know more want, you know. I didn't know more. So I tried going in with that color again at the edges to kind of blend it out somewhere, because I saw that line of demarcation, and I should have used like a flat top brush to get you see, and I'm going in with other colors just to break up that line. But boy, I'm telling you, once your base is messed up, it just affects it overall. So now I'm using the dark brown. This is the look I envision for the palette, like a dark, rich brown makeup look, and I'm going to do it. But I want to do it like with like an army green kind of a look. Savannah Silver, did that look similar? I'm like, girl, you are speaking my language. So I'm gonna recreate and put my spin on it. If you like it, then you should put your spin on it, and that's what I'm gonna do. I'm gonna put my spin on it. So I'm taking my LA Pro primer in nude, and I'm putting that right on my happy area. Then I'm going to be using a lighter color and going on top of that, because I want that lighter color to pop against all the darkness that we have. Now this lighter color is still dark, so it's adding, you know, like some kind of movement, you know, but not too much. It's a little toopsy, just a little toopsy. Then I'm going to go in with a lighter color, and then right there. So see that? It just bring it up, and it flows better, rather than me just putting this color on alone. This second color I'm putting on now, it flows better with the other color. I love how it looks. So now I'm taking my LA Pro primer in black again, and I'm lining my eyes. Then I'm going to be blending that out. I do this regularly, and I tell you guys, I always blend out, come all the way down, because my eyeliner tends to run, and like throughout the day it moves like like it will go into the crease, because I have creases under my eyes. So yeah, so I'm going to be applying the yellow, and what if you want that color to pop, you definitely use like a lighter color base, but I never want that. I'm just you want like a yellow something, and because the black is almost the background, it's not showing up like boom yellow. It is like, excuse me, it's just showing up like bam yellow, you know. So now I'm taking this, and look on that now, blouse and skirt, but you know, bad like yes, the look just come right, it just come right to it. I love it. I love it gone to bed. So now I'm going to be taking these lashes are my these are, let me see what these look like so I can tell you what these are. These are my rosy, I believe these are rosy lashes that I'm wearing. Yeah man, I rosy them Clean. Look there. Jesus. So these are my Rosy 6D lashes. They are phenomenal. Phenomenal. Oh, they're gorgeous. They are gorgeous. No, Anna Rosy, them a lot of God. You know, so them a Vivian. BRB, guys. BRB. Yes, I was right. Rosy. Look at my nails. These are my real nails. Yay. So these are my Rosy lashes. Look at how brown my eyes look. Whoa. So for my glow, I'm using the palette again. Look at that. Oh, come on through. And I used a light hand to apply the glow, and I'm going to use like a medium light hand to apply the. Look at how the side of my face break out. Oh my god. I did something and I can't remember what I did, but my side of my face break out. But anyway, still I kill it. Still cute. Still banging. Yeah, so this is the entire look, you guys. It is really short, simple, to the point. Thank you so much for watching. Don't forget my classes. You can go on my website, LyricRochester.com. If you have not registered yet, please do so. If you have not subscribed, please do so. I'm wearing disco balls from CoverGirl Jamaica, here in Jamaica, and I'm going to be putting on my concealer. This is like my lip thing from JUVIAS Place number 13, and I'm going to be going over that with my LA Pro Primer in no, that's all I did. I didn't go over with LA Pro Primer nude. So this is it, you guys, for the video. Thank you so much for watching. You guys have been supporting me, and I completely appreciate it. Big up on yourselves. Don't forget to subscribe if you have not, and I'll talk to you guys in the next one. Mwah. Bye, guys.
God got me, we about to blow. Yeah, do it for the love, I don't do it for show. Way, way up, I can't come down. With my city on my back, I ain't holding back, I don't care if you're watching.